Hello, you guys. I'm back on my Sunday live, 11 a.m. And today we're doing pranayam part 2 to alleviate stress, to alleviate anxiety, which means reduce stress and anxiety, and also increase our lung capacity and strengthen our lungs, which is much needed in this day and age. Right now, actually, I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are staying home. So yeah, last Sunday we did a couple of pranayams. We learned about Kapalbhati, the do's and don'ts, how to do it, exact techniques, and what the benefits are. And also we talked about Brahmari, which is an incredible pranayam. Breathing is the essence of life, isn't it? I mean, we can live without food for days. We can live without water maybe for a few days as well. But try breathing and try not breathing for a day or so. Is that even possible? No, right? So which is why breath or prana is really, really important. And we'll again begin with the same thing. I will मी शिकलो कपालभाति. Very good. रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करा. अगर आप रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको डेफिनेटली बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. एक आध बार इधर उधर करने से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई थिंक यू शुड, आई मीन इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माई डेली प्रैक्टिस. और इसीलिए शायद the way you look changes, the way you feel changes, and when the way you feel changes, आपकी पूरी लाइफ बदल जाती है. तो आई होप आपने बामिनी और बॉयज़ देखना शुरू कर दिया है. हर रोज़ हम एक एपिसोड आई थिंक आ रहा है. तो फिर इट वुड बी रियली ग्रेट कि आप अगर बामिनी और बॉयज़ भी देखें और आपको कैसी लगी हमें प्लीज़ बताइए. आई थिंक फ्राइडे को रिलीज़ हुई है, तो फ्राइडे, सैटरडे और आज संडे, मतलब 3 एपिसोड्स ऑलरेडी आउट है. 10-10 मिनट के एपिसोड्स हैं, तो फिर ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लेता. वेल दैट सेड, आज संडे है. बामिनी एंड बॉयज़ ज़रूर देखिए. कमिंग बैक टू आवर प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस. तो चलिए, लेट्स, द बेसिक इसेंशियल्स ऑलवेज रिमेन द सेम. येस, इट्स फुल एपिसोड ऑन हॉटस्टार. मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस बाद में ले लूँगी, लेकिन पहले आई थिंक हम प्राणायाम से शुरू करते हैं. सो आफ्टर कपालभाति एंड द समर ब्रीदिंग ऑल्सो दैट वी लर्न, आज भी हम थोड़ा सा समर ब्रीदिंग से शुरू करेंगे, इक्वल ब्रीदिंग. फॉर दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू सिट स्ट्रेट, कीप योर स्पाइन कंफर्टेबली इरेक्ट, like there's a little thread from literally the center of your crown pulling you up. तो अपने आप को एकदम एक ऐसे सीधे पॉस्चर में बैठिए. स्पाइन कंफर्टेबली इरेक्ट. ये आप मैट पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं, या आप सोफ़ा पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं. जस्ट कीप योर स्पाइन कंफर्टेबली इरेक्ट. अपने हाथों की ये मुद्रा, ज्ञान मुद्रा ले लीजिए. द फर्स्ट 2 फिंगर्स टचिंग लाइक दिस, और अपने नीज़ पर रखिए. एंड नाउ क्लोज योर आइज़. हम इक्वल ब्रीदिंग करेंगे टू बिगिन विथ, विच मीन्स यू विल टेक 5 काउंट्स टू इनहेल, 5 काउंट्स टू एक्सेल. मैं आपको काउंट्स दूंगी. अगर आपको 5 की जगह 3 काउंट्स में इनहेल एक्सेल करना बेटर लगता है तो आप वो करिए. अगर आपको 8 काउंट्स में इनहेल एक्सेल करना बेटर लगता है तो आप वो करिए. आपके ब्रीदिंग कैपेसिटी पर है. दिस इज़ जस्ट टू काम आवर सेल्स एंड कम बैक टू अ सेंटर. तो इससे हम शुरू करते हैं ताकि हम बस we come here and we be present at this point in this time on our mat or on our chair or wherever. Yeah, so let's do this. अपनी आंखें बंद करिए. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale, and then let's begin. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to normal breathing. Keep your eyes closed. just come back to center. This is just जो आपकी इंद्रिया है, your senses which are all always going outwards, this is just to bring them inwards, just to sort of focus on the breath. That exactly is what meditation is, to just bring all your senses, आपकी जो इंद्रिया है उन्हें सब towards yourself rather than being out, you know, your eyes, your nose, your sense of smell, your touch, all the 5 senses. You can open your eyes now. आज का पहला प्राणायाम जो हम करने वाले हैं, again it's very invigorating, very warming, very energizing प्राणायाम. इसे हम कहते हैं भस्त्रिका. भस्त्रिका इंग्लिश में इसे कहते हैं bellows breath. अगेन इट्स लाइक कपालभाति एक्चुअली. अगर आप कहीं ठंडी जगह पर हो और आपको बहुत ठंड लग रही है, तो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द प्राणायाम्स दैट यू कैन डू. इट्स लाइक कपालभाति एंड भस्त्रिका आर नोन टू रियली बी not just invigorating, energizing, but also create a lot of heat in the body as well. So it's great to do it in cold climates. But what's very, very good about them is your lung capacity increases when you do this. The strength of your lungs also increases. It drains, Bhastrika drains the excess phlegm from your lungs. मतलब अगर आपको कोल्ड और कॉफ हो, वो जो म्यूकस जो अंदर रहता है आपके लंग्स में, उसे बाहर निकालने के लिए ये बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव है. इट क्लेंजेस योर लंग्स, इट क्लेंजेस योर साइनसेस एंड योर रेस्पिरेटरी पाथवेज. इट ऑक्सीजनेट्स your blood, your brain, your body, which means it improves your blood circulation, which means your skin glows, your hair becomes better, and the metabolism increases. Hence it also is effective in weight loss. It's really great to strengthen your ab muscles, to tone your ab muscles, to reduce your belly fat as well, and generally weight loss as well. It's very, very good for digestion. It relieves constipation. It of course, the best thing, it slows down your aging process like Kapalbhati as well. It rids your body of toxins. मतलब because it is so cleansing, it cleanses the mind and the body. It is very, very effective in clearing toxins out of your body. It stimulates and improves your kidney function, your liver function, your pancreas. So it's great for your blood sugar as well, to regulate it. And it energizes not just your body, it energizes not just your blood, it energizes your mind. तो आपका focus और concentration is very, very is taken care of by this one. It also boosts endorphins, which means these are happy chemicals that are produced in your brain, and which in effect means that when you have happy chemicals being produced in your brains, the dopamine, the serotonin, you cannot be feeling sad or depressed. So this is something that you should practice literally every day. Especially जो अभी चल रहा है, so many people with COVID, the lungs get infected really badly. This is I didn't want to say it, but I am going to actually. It's a friend of mine who was in the ICU for the last 3 weeks, and who's just gotten out of hospital, and he told me that last Sunday he was practicing Kapalbhati with me on our live, and he's been practicing ever since. And वो जो उनके हाथ पे वो ऑक्सीमीटर लगा रहता है, he says he could actually see his his oxygenation increase. So the O2 level actually increased with the pranayam. So I do really suggest that if you are recovering, or even whether you're just been God's grace, you've been safe and you're still just at home and not had to go through this bad bout of COVID, I think everybody should actually just start practicing it to just enhance the lung capacity because I think that's what's required today. Right, again, so some contraindications, people who should not do it. First of all, you need to do it on empty stomach. A little bit of water, tea is fine, but at least give yourself an hour and a half of a gap between this. इसीलिए मैं ये लाइव्स 11 बजे कर रही हूँ ताकि आपका ब्रेकफास्ट या जो भी आप खाते हैं थोड़ा जल्दी फिनिश करें. जिनको हार्ट डिजीज़ है, जिनको एस्थमा ब्रोंकाइटिस है, मैं आपको बहुत ज़ोर से ब्रीथ करने को नॉर्मली बोलूँगी, लेकिन जिनको हार्ट डिजीज़ है और ब्रोंकाइटिस एस्थमा है वो बहुत स्लोली करेंगे, ठीक है. ज़्यादा यू विल नॉट पुश इट टू मच. women who are pregnant, women who are in their periods, women, and people who have stents and a slip disc, please do not practice this. आप summer breathing या equal breathing कर लीजिए जो हमने अभी किया था. और इसके बाद आप एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा वेट करें कुछ खाने के लिए, क्योंकि आपके बॉडी में बहुत एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होने वाली है, तो यू डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट दैट इन योर डाइजेशन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ भस्त्रिका. Now the good thing about this is this also alleviates stress. It energizes the body and the mind, but it also calms your mind, which means stress and anxiety is okay. We are back. So भस्त्रिका के लिए आप again sit with your spine straight. ये आप लेट के नहीं करेंगे, आप बैठ के ही करेंगे. आप कुर्सी पे बैठ सकते हैं, सोफ़ा पे बैठ सकते हैं. सिर्फ अपनी स्पाइन इरेक्ट रखिए. हमें क्या करना है, अपने हाथ इस तरह से ऊपर ले जाने हैं इनहेल करते हुए, और एक्सेल हम विल मेक इट फोर्सफुल. सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू. इट्स जस्ट दिस. इनहेल्स अपने आप होते रहेंगे, हमको एक्सेलेशन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है. सो इनहेल, नोज से एक्सेल कर रही हूँ मैं, माउथ इज क्लोज्ड. ओके, सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डू 5 ऑफ देम टू बिगिन विथ. आई विल जस्ट शो यू 2 राउंड्स राइट नाउ. अगेन हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे विथ हैंड्स ओपन लाइक दिस, and bring your elbows very close to your lungs. आपके lungs के जो corners है they get atrophied slightly, क्योंकि उसमें से air बाहर नहीं जाती normally, which is why it's very less used. What we are doing is really trying and removing that last bit of air also, क्योंकि जहाँ कुछ चीज़ ऐसे stagnant रहती है, वो part आपके body का becomes atrophied is which doesn't work very well, basically, let's put it that way. So which is why we're trying to actually work even those smaller tiny crevices in the lungs, which will sort of get expanded and start working properly. Once again, hands go up and then they come down like this. हाँ, जब आप हाथ नीचे आएंगे तब वो fist बनेंगे, और elbows are very close to your side of the body, side of the lungs here. Okay, so let's start. We'll do 5 rounds. आप अपनी आँखें बंद मत कीजिए. You can look at me and do this. Take a nice deep breath in and let's begin. Stop. If you are feeling giddy, अगर आपको चक्कर वक्कर आ रहा है तो आप अपने हिसाब से ले लीजिए. आप 2 करिए, 3 करिए. We can increase the pace later. We can increase the repetitions later. एक बार और करते हैं. Come back to normal breath if you're feeling dizzy. You will start feeling a little warm, a little hot if you do this a few times. Eventually आप at least 21 times करने की कोशिश करिए, लेकिन आज हम सिर्फ 5 और 10 करेंगे. तो एक बार और करते हैं, सिर्फ 5 करेंगे अभी, फिर और let's do 8 this time. ठीक है? If you want to do just 5, it's all up to you. So let's begin. अपने shoulders ऊपर मत ले जाइए. Sit comfortably, shoulders away from the ears. Really lift yourself, spine extended, and let's go. Inhale, arms up and stop. Now I see a lot of people, I've seen my students do, when they exhale out, they do ये सब. The shoulders remain relaxed, the face remains relaxed. All you're doing is, तो मेरे eyebrows हिल नहीं रही है, मेरा कुछ और हिल नहीं रहा है. ठीक है? You've got to learn to just, it'll come with time. It happens when you're doing it the first few times. Don't worry about it. Just keep as calm as possible. Just be mindful of your eyebrows and you're not trying like this, So let's just do it one more time. This time we'll do 10 counts. लेकिन अगर आपको 5 या 8 करने हैं, you take it as your body needs. Okay? Let's go. Sit straight and begin. Stop. So another thing that that I wanted to talk about when last time I spoke about it. As we inhale, the belly always rises. As we exhale, the belly goes in. हम लोग बहुत कभी कभी स्ट्रेस में या इवन अदरवाइज breath is so simple and yet so complex sometimes I feel, क्योंकि if we pay attention to it, sometimes we actually see people breathing wrong. मतलब जब inhale करते हैं तब belly expand होनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो अंदर चली जाती है. अगर आप बहुत स्ट्रेस में हो तो ये आप नोटिस करेंगे. आप ऐसे अगर हो सकता है कि आप भी ऐसे करते हो. Or even otherwise, when there's a lot going on, we kind of end up breathing ulta, which obviously means that the whole system is going off, because like I said, breath is the number one thing that the body needs to survive, for your brain to function properly, for your body to function properly, for literally every cell in your body to function properly. So be mindful about breathing. Inhale, the belly rises. Exhale, the belly falls. That is the basic principle. तो अगर आप भस्त्रिका भी कर रहे हैं तो अगर आपके हाथ नीचे आ रहे हैं तो आपकी belly अंदर जा रही होगी, बाहर नहीं आएगी. Yeah? So let's do one more time, 10 counts. Right? So, nice deep inhale and exhale. Shoulders relaxed, spine elongated, and let's go. सो दैट वॉज भस्त्रिका फॉर यू. मैंने आपको सारे कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस और इसके बेनिफिट्स बता दिए हैं. अब कैसा करना है वो भी सिखा दिया है. आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस दिस रेगुलरली, इट्स लाइफ ऑल्टरिंग. I hope you all have started sweating, because actually I have started sweating, because it is an invigorating pranayam, like I said. So that was about Bhasrika. But after this one, we're going to be doing something that is now a very cooling, it's like a stress buster. बहुत ही कूलिंग प्राणायाम है, जिसे कहते हैं कि शीतली प्राणायाम. एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इट्स अ कूलिंग ब्रेथ. नाउ दिस इज सो नॉर्मली मैं कपालभाति और भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम करती हूँ मेरी योगा प्रैक्टिस, आसना प्रैक्टिस से पहले, और शीतली और भ्रामरी ये सारे प्राणायाम्स करती हूँ मेरे योगा प्रैक्टिस के बाद. So basically this can be done when you wake up in the morning, anytime, whenever you feel like, before you going to sleep. अगर आप शीतली करोगे तो it will be very very good for you. Again, अभी इंडिया में, बॉम्बे में तो इतनी गर्मी है, I can't even tell you. So if you're feeling extremely warm and hot, शीतली is the pranayam to practice. आपका माइंड और आपकी बॉडी दोनों कूल करेंगे. दोनों कूल करेगा ये प्राणायाम. So this also is very very effective to help your muscles and your nerves relax. So it's literally like a stress buster for you. It purifies your blood. It can actually control your hypertension, your blood pressure, high blood pressure. And तो आपका जो brain है, the nervous system, there are two systems in your brain, which is the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Normally when we're doing our daily activities, and anyways our activities are stressful, this, that and the other, we're running after things, or there's so much to do, so much to finish. Right now there's so much fear and anxiety around us. So our sympathetic nervous system sort of fires up. Sympathetic nervous system, in simple words, is your flight or fight syndrome. अगर आपके सामने एक शेर आता है तो क्या होगा? या तो आप भाग जाएंगे, या तो you'll try and fight it. In both those scenarios, your sympathetic nervous system comes on, because that's what gives you the fight or flight response. But to be in that, but the point is, हमारे यहाँ शेर नहीं आता. हमारे पास पूरा दिन हमारे पास शेर रहता ही है, क्योंकि हम अगर ऑफिस में 8, 10, 15 घंटे रहते हैं तो वो that stress is just there. Normally when animals their sympathetic nervous system gets activated जब उनके कोई डेंजर आता है, और फिर जब वो डेंजर चला जाता है, then they just come down and they're back to their parasympathetic nervous system. But for human beings, जो इतने सारे, जो हमारी इंद्रियां है, जो everything, all the senses are taking in so much from everywhere, whether it's social media, whether it's your job, whether it's your laptop, whether it's all the stresses around, they keep us in that sympathetic flight or flight response all the time, which हमारा brain, हमारी body cortisol release करती है, which is a very unhealthy hormone for the body. Your vagus nerve or your adrenals get fatigued. Now these are just systems in your body, like all your endocrine systems, which your hormones go for a toss, your lymphatic systems, your circulating system, all these systems connected to your heart, all your organs, they all are in that space of forever being like this, which is why there is so much lifestyle disorder, which is why it's important to de-stress so much and to elevate or to get your parasympathetic nervous system on. Parasympathetic nervous system is your rest and digest. So when you're resting, and your rest is not just sleeping. Your rest could be doing meditation. Your rest and digest could be simple things like this. Say khana khane ke baad, you just like take like a few minutes and sit, because if you again get into that stress mode and your sympathetic nervous system comes on, your digestion will get harmed. Once your digestion is not proper, all these other problems will start. And I think now it's a proven fact scientifically that all chronic disease starts from your digestion, from your stomach, because that's where everything, inflammation rises from. The acid in your stomach, or the acidity, basically. The inflammation, everything starts right here at your gut. So that is what we need to do. Whatever we eat needs to be digested properly. So you have to understand that you have to eat properly first. Food that will help and heal you. Now, everybody has different systems, so not one food can work for everybody. But I'm just saying that it's very important to stay in that parasympathetic nervous system activated zone, which is your rest and digest zone. And that is what we are coming to. जो भ्रामरी मैंने आपको सिखाया, that is last time जो सिखाया था, that is the best thing you can do for to get into this rest and digest mode. Chanting Om, meditate. I cannot even tell you how important it is to just start meditating, say 5, 10, whatever time you have, and just come back to your breath. जो हमने beginning में 4 और 4 जो breath किया, 5 और 5 जो breath किया था, equal breathing. Even if you come back to that for a minute, in whatever stress you're going through, 1 minute you give yourself, your brain activity will calm down, your productivity will increase, and it's just that there'll be so much more efficiency rather than we being like this all the time. So now Shitali that we're going to be doing is again very, very good to initiate your parasympathetic nervous system. It is also beneficial in treating your any tongue disorder or throat or mouth disorder. It's great in treating also spleen disorders, which is also a very, very important internal organ inside your body. But the people who should be careful, you should, of course, because you're going to be doing this through your mouth and not through your nose. So, nose has filters for the air to go in, mouth doesn't have filters, so please do not do it in a dusty place or anything. Make sure that at least you have a clean surrounding. Also, people with low blood pressure should avoid this. People with respiratory issues like bronchitis and asthma and stuff should completely avoid this. If you have a lot of mucus right now in your body, please avoid this. People with chronic constipation also, please do not do this. Because it just cools your apana, your digestive fire. So you don't want that to happen. The rest of you, if you're suffering from any of this, you can just do the other 2 pranayams that we did. And the rest of you, let's start with Shitali. I have spoken so much. So Shitali ke liye, hum log, again we'll be sitting straight with our spine erect. What we're going to be doing is opening our mouth or taking our tongue out and rolling the tongue, which looks like this. Make a tube with your tongue और आप breathe in, यानी inhale, आप मुंह से करोगे, टंग के अंदर एयर आपकी जाएगी, कूलिंग ब्रेथ. आप टंग बंद कर, मुंह बंद करोगे और एक्सेल अपने नाक से करेंगे. या आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माय टंग आउट एंड रोल इट. Exhale from the nose. Again, one more time I'll show you. That's it. Now, if it's very difficult for you to roll your tongue in, it is for a few people. You can also do this. और अपने दांत एक दूसरे को मिलाइए and try and breathe in like this. Exhalations happen only from your nose. Inhalations happen through your mouth, either the rolled tongue or through your teeth. इसे शीतकारी कहते हैं. ठीक है? तो let's do just practice 5 of these now. Sit comfortably erect. अपने हाथ ज्ञान मुद्रा, चिन्ह मुद्रा में रखिए. On your knees and let's start. Tongue out, roll your tongue, inhale through the tongue, exhale through the nose. Let's go. You can close your eyes now if you've got the hang of it. Make sure that your belly is rising when you're inhaling and the belly is falling when you're exhaling. Do 2 more. Last one. That's it. Come back to normal breath. So that was Shitali Pranayam or Shitkari Pranayam. If you want, we'll practice Shitkari as well one more time, which is both the benefits are exactly the same. Again, this can be done in a warming. See, I've actually started cooling. The sweat that was coming is not so much anymore. तो एक बार और करते हैं. 5 counts or as many as you want to do right now. If 3 is enough for you, 8 is enough for you, you do that many. One more time. Close your eyes, sit comfortably erect, and let's practice. Do a couple more at your pace with your breath. Well done, you guys. So those were the 2 pranayams for today, and I will come back with pranayam 3. Do not miss the next one because that is the BAP of pranayams. So yes, so that's what we're going to do the next. Okay, so if there are any questions now about any of these pranayams, I am ready to take them. And if not, I will take your leave. नाक बंद करना है. कहाँ नाक बंद करना है? कौन से प्राणायाम में? Okay, any questions? Thank you for all the love for Bhamini and boys. I've been getting so many people have been commenting. Thank you so much. We're very, very grateful for all of the love that you've been showering upon us. Do smokers face issues in yoga? Well, the only thing is I don't think you'll be able to hold your breath so well because smoking damages your lungs, and we know that. But so you just have to increase the lung capacity, and that will be slow. But otherwise, I don't think you'll face any problems. Thank you, Pranav. Superb work you're doing, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anybody else who needs to ask any questions about this? I would be very happy to take the questions now. You know, people with all these sick comments, like, go home, guys. Really. Or stay home, and I hope you all stay safe as well, but whatever. रिस्पेक्ट नाम की चीज़ हमने अगर सीखी नहीं है कभी, तो फिर क्या करें. सांस लेने में तकलीफ़ हो रही है, कौन सा आसन करें? आप प्राणायाम कर लो पहले, आपका सांस लेने का इशू ख़त्म हो जाएगा. मोर लेक्चर लेस प्रैक्टिस इज़ बिकॉज आप गलत कुछ ना करो, क्योंकि अगर आप गलत करोगे तो फिर मुझे बोलोगे हमारे टीचर ने अच्छी तरह से नहीं सिखाया. तो अगर आप सब कुछ सोच समझ कर करोगे तो आपके लिए ही बेटर होगा, वरना मुझे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ आके ये करूँ. Don't want such a long break between pranayam. So I just think it's better, अगर आपने भस्त्रिका किया है और उसके बाद आप शीतली कर रहे हैं, तो एक बहुत वार्मिंग प्राणायाम है, एक बहुत कूलिंग प्राणायाम है. यू हैव टू टेक अ लिटिल ब्रेक इन द मिडल ऑफ देम, विच इज़ वाई आई गेव यू इन्फॉर्मेशन. अगर आप इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके दिमाग में रखेंगे और उसके हिसाब से काम करेंगे तो इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू ओनली. Any more questions? Come.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
No, in the sense like you're recording something?
Yeah, I'm live. Alright guys, so if there are no more questions, I will come back next week again. We'll do pranayam part 3. And thank you so much for doing this with me. आप प्लीज़ ये प्राणायाम करिए. अब आपके पास there are 4 or 5 प्राणायाम that I've done पिछली बार ये बारी मिला के, तो आप ज़रूर इसे प्रैक्टिस करिए. और I swear to God, मेरी लाइफ, मेरी स्किन, मेरा हेयर, मेरी बॉडी, सब कुछ चेंज हुआ है इस प्रैक्टिस की वजह से. इसीलिए मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि आप प्लीज़ ट्राई करिए. और ट्राई 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा अगर रोज़ आपसे हो सकता है तो, एंड चेंज योर लाइफ इज़ वेल. एंड प्लीज़ स्टे सेफ, प्लीज़ स्टे इन योर हाउसेज एज मच एज पॉसिबल. और बामिनी एंड बॉयज़ ज़रूर देखिए. थैंक यू सो मच.